Alright, so welcome to Pbteck. I'm Prince, and in this particular video I'm going to show you the right way that you should scan your master combo decoder to get any FTA channels that you are looking for. Okay, you can't just go ahead and then scan it any way that you want. There is a right way to scan your decoder to get more channels. Alright, so to scan for the channels, just press on the menu button on your remote. Okay, so look for the menu button that is right here in the middle. Okay, press on it, and then here you look for installation, press OK, and then you come to the DVB S2, the second generation over here, satellite second generation. Okay, press on it. Okay, and the first option is antenna settings. You press OK on it, and we have the satellite list right here. So here you have to select your satellite. If you are scanning for the MULTITV channels, after 2A, 2B, or you can select what bed. Okay, so let me select what bed right here. Okay, after selecting it, you have to leave every settings as it is. That's the default settings over there. Okay, if you are a beginner or you don't know anything, just come to the TP. Okay, that's the transponder. So the TP, search from the list whether you can find the TP that you have to add. If you are searching for MULTITV, the MULTITV's TP is 12525 vertical 30,000. So if you can't find it in the list, you have to add it. So with the adding, you have to go back to the transponder list page. Okay, so here come down to the transponder list, press OK, and you have to add. So there is a command indicator over there that you should press on the green button to add. Okay, you can edit anyone. Okay, so green button to add. Here you add a MULTITV or any other FTA TP that you are having a signal and you want to scan. Okay, so 12525 vertical, which is V, and then 30,000 80K right here. Okay, so press OK to save, and then you select it. As you have seen, the strength and then the signal quality have shown up over here. Okay, so you need to go back to the antenna settings right here. Make sure that the signal quality and the signal strength are still showing. You have to select your TP right here. Okay, and right now I have to scan for you to get the channels. Okay, so with the scanning, you don't have to choose any other option than the blind scan option. So you come to the satellite side or the start search over here. You can see there is an option over there that you can select. Okay, so select blind scan, super blind. You can select super blind or just blind. The super blind will actually delay a bit, but blind and super blind, they will all bring up the same number of channels. Okay, so you select it and then press OK to scan. Alright, so with the scanning, this option FTA only, meaning you want only channels, you want to get the channels without any scramble in it. Okay, the channels with a dollar sign. If you want only the channels that don't have any dollar sign and all the channels will be working or playing, just select yes, FTA only. And if you want only TV channels, maybe you are not ready to listen to any radio channels, or you just select the TV channels and then press OK to search. Alright, so wait patiently for the scanning to complete and then start enjoying your channels. Alright, so if it happens to be your first time watching me on this channel, all you got to do is to subscribe to the channel. You lose nothing by subscribing. I'm here to help you out. If you have any problem or any question, comment below and I'm ready to reply to your question. Alright, thanks for watching. Bless up. Catch you on the next one.